welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxanne and I hope you are doing great. Today we're gonna be sewing some stuff. Well, this exactly. So this is a bucket hat and it's cool because it's like reversible. I found the pattern on YouTube. It was by Glory Allan. So he made an entire video on how to sew this bucket hat, and he has this free pattern that you can download from his website. I will link all of that in the description. So this video is not going to be a tutorial on how to make this pattern. I'm just going to be making them on camera, but I'm not going to explain the steps and stuff. So I would highly recommend to go and check his YouTube channel. He has lots of beginner-friendly tutorials if you want to learn how to sew or just like make easy sewing project. So yes, that's just everything I'm gonna be doing. So I went to my fabric store yesterday and I bought several fabric for today's project. So I have this combination, which is going to be quite a Japanese themed bucket hat, and I have this combination as well. So and this one, which I think is really cute, and I think I'm gonna be making this one again because it's cute, and I'm gonna be doing a small and maybe a medium size, just because I'm gonna be selling these bucket hats on my shop. So let's get started. So here I started by cutting the pieces of the pattern on the fabric.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse, no.
So I just finished cutting every piece for now. So I have this design, this design, this design, this design, and this design, and this one. So it took me approximately 50 minutes to cut everything. So I'm not quick. But now let's get into the sewing part.
Just get me out of, how can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse, no, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here.
working on the bucket hats. It's been quite some days now, and now they are finished. So here is the first one. Here is the second one. Here is the third one. So it is kind of Japanese themed. So this is the end of this video. In the future, before I open my shop, I'm gonna be making other sizes. So these ones are medium and small, and I will be doing maybe medium and large, or extra small and medium, because I don't think I have enough fabric to make 3 of each more. So yeah, I'm gonna be choosing a few sizes to make, and yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you did, and why not write a comment in the description, and I will see you all soon. Thank you again.